Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gene, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to the HTML language. So HTML is defined as Hypertext Markup Language. It was invented in 1969 by Tim Berners-Lee and is used alongside other languages to make websites or web applications. Basically all the text, the links, the images, and the videos that you see on the internet are made possible by HTML. Every website on the internet uses HTML, and examples of this are the websites of companies like Facebook, Google, Twitter, and many others. So now that we know what HTML actually is, we're going to need to download what is called a text editor to help us write HTML documents. There's a whole lot of choices you have when it comes down to code editors, but the one I and many other developers use a lot is Visual Studio Code. To download Visual Studio Code, I'm going to open my Chrome browser and I will type in VS Code. Make sure you find the link where it says code.visualstudio.com. In my case, this is the second link, so I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, you can see I'm redirected to this website, and it's asking me to download for Windows since it automatically knows I have a Windows computer. So if you don't have a Windows computer, you can just click here and expand this and choose your operating system from here. But I'm just going to choose the default setting and click download for Windows. I'm going to open it when it's done to start the installation process. It's taking a little bit of time. Alright, so now the installation process just started. You can go ahead and read the license agreement, but I'm just going to accept this and then click next. And I'm going to keep on next and then install. Alright, so now that we're done installing VS Code, I'm going to end the process, and you can be happy you've successfully installed VS Code. So find me in the next video where we're going to talk about the syntax and structure of the HTML language. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. You can also comment down below to ask questions or to leave feedback, and if you think this is useful, you can share it as well. Thank you so much guys, and have a great day.